Hi, Max. This book is called The Little Dump Truck. Look at all those trucks. Where's the first page? Here we go. I'm a little dump truck run by Hard Hat Pete. Rattle, waddle, clatter, driving down the street. I'm a little dump truck hauling stones and rocks, bumping, bouncing, thumping, crossing city blocks. I'm a little dump truck turning at the light, slowing, braking, stopping at the building site. I'm a little dump truck parking in the road, dumping out my load. I'm a little dump truck watching workers build, forklifts lifting beams and big hole being filled. I'm a little dump truck waiting for debris. Excavator scoops, drops dirt into me. I'm a little dump truck carting out the trash. On and off, warning red lights flash. I'm a little dump truck driving down Route 10, heading for the landfill to unload again. I'm a little dump truck backing to the right, tipping down my dumper at the garbage site. I'm a little dump truck leaving through the gate, riding down the highway to another state. I'm a little dump truck stopping to get gas. Hard Hat Pete drinks coffee, other truckers pass. I'm a little dump truck working hard each day. Back and forth, I love my job, hooray! And that's the end. Bye-bye for now.